buildings of interest, the circular building with the mirrors on the outside is Roy Thompson Hall, where the Toronto Symphony Orchestra plays. Also the building in front of us with the red box on the roof is the CBC Canadian Broadcasting Centre. And the Toronto Convention Centre is directly in front of us.
Oh, my ears are full. Normal?
Yes.
How do you stand it?
I just get used to it after a while. But we only stay on the elevator for 1 hour at a time, so it's about 15 trips. Take a break.
So it does get to you, I guess, if you would do it like 8 hours.
If you're on all day,